Hello guys, welcome to Anonymous Tech. Today I am going to show you how to download Windows 11 and make it bootable in a USB. First of all, I will show you how to download it. Just go to Chrome and here is a link. I will give link in the description. The file is of 4.34 RAR file. When you extract the RAR file using WinRAR, you just have to download WinRAR from this website, win-rar. After downloading WinRAR, just you click on download and download the Windows. Click on download. Here I already download the Windows and Rufus. Rufus is used for making Windows bootable in a USB. So I will insert my USB. So here you can see as I inserted, here it shows. Then I open Rufus. Just click yes. So firstly I click on non-bootable and just erase it. Here you can see my USB is completely restored. Then I select the RAR file. Here you can see iPhone 11 English 64-bit. Just I select it. After selecting it, I just click on start. Here I can select GPT or MBR. So here I select only GPT. It's depend upon you. So I select MBR, in which you use BIOS and UEFI. So I will select GPT UEFI because my laptop support UEFI. So just after that I click on start. This process will be complete in 15 minutes. It will take time to complete. As it goes to 100%, then our USB will be ready. Here is the status. Here it shows the status ready. When it shows the status ready, it means it's completely bootable. Here you can see it's 91-92% complete. As it complete 100%, then it will show the status as ready. When our USB is ready, so after that we will install the Windows on our PC. First we start our laptop or PC with USB support. Start Windows with it, USB support, and then install it. And here you can see my USB is ready and it is completely bootable and it's ready for use. Now we use it to install Windows 11 on our PC, and next video I will show you the complete process.